Today I want to teach you how you can be cleaning all your apps in one place every morning before you start your work. Because some of us, we use this phone run every day, and every day data is saved on our cache. And most of us, before we start using our phone, we don't clean our cache. So now I want to teach you how you can clean your cache, how you can clean all the junk out of your cache every day, so that your phone will not be lagging. Why is it that our phones are hanging? Some of us, more especially those of us that are content creators, we create content every day. So every day our phone is being loaded with different junks. So right now I'm going to teach you how you can clean all your cache, all the junks that comes out from all your apps every day before you start working, so that your phone will be going smoothly, your phone will not be hanging. First, you click on your settings. After clicking on your settings, you scroll and you click on your app management. So after clicking on your app management, you click on your app settings. So after clicking on your app settings, you will see all the apps. You can see all the apps on the phone. So this is where you now start picking up all the apps and be cleaning it one after the other, just like this. You see storage and cache. You click on storage and cache. You can see that my Chrome cache has 16.21 MB. That is a junk. So all you have to do, come to clean cache, you click it. Automatically it will clean that junk. Then you go to another one. You go back and click another one. You see my Facebook. Let me go on Facebook. My Facebook have 0 because I've already cleaned my cache before I started using the phone. So my phone is running smoothly. That is why you see that my phone is not hanging. Okay, let's go. Let's check again if there is any stock junk on my phone. Let's check on WhatsApp, because I know that WhatsApp, they used to send message on WhatsApp every second. So let's see if there is junk. Okay, my WhatsApp junk have 3.21 MB. So I have junk on my WhatsApp. Let me clean it. I've cleaned it. Let's go back again and check if there is any other app again. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me check if there is junk. Okay, you can see that on my Instagram there is junk there. There is 62.84 MB junk, so I have to clean it. So that is how you continue to clean. More especially those of you that have been using your phones and you've not been doing this, go check your storage and cache and clean the cache. That cache is junk data that are stuck there and is there on your phone, filling space. So if you clean it, it will make your phone to be flowing, going smoothly, working smart for you. So all these are some places where dirty are gathered on phones, whereby it makes your phone to be hanging and to be lagging. So if you can clean this every day before you start using your phone will be running smoothly and sound. If there is any area you don't understand in respect of my teaching, please drop your comment on the comment section. And if there is any other thing you want me to teach you, drop your comment on the comment section. That is the reason why I am here for you, dropping these tips. Even after doing this, if you find out that your phone is still hanging, watch my videos. There are a lot of places where junks are hidden on people's phone that makes their phone to be lagging, so that your phone can start running smoothly. And if this information is helpful to you, please try and share it to your friends, loved ones, and well-wishers, more especially your followers, so that your followers that are passing through the same experience will have a smartphone to be supporting you on your social media platforms. God bless you. Try and give us a thumbs up, so that whenever we have a good tips like this, you will be the first to grab it. God bless you. We remain Petsyinka TV, but this is our platform where we give tips to help our loved ones and well-wishers to be running their platform smoothly.